Barbaro said that she thought Barbaro thought these unfinished tasks of mine, and therefore I will comfort you.
If you've got a watery, like real watery stool, you get high. Sorry.
Janine Edwards reporting, and we'll see Steve Cyphers and Hank Goldberg a little later in the show. Get Hank's pick, sure to be a good one. And since 2000, the favorite has won 5 of the 7 Preaknesses. Barbaro was the favorite last year. Obviously, we know how that ended very tragically, but
are you trying to be left-handed, mister?
Ended up winning.
Are you trying to be? I think you are.
2000, Usaichi Pegasus was the runner-up.
I think you are. Say hi, Grandma. We're going to send this to Grandma.
And continuing our look at interleague moments.
Bye, Grandma.